Meghalaya is really like untouched beauty. Look at both of these boys taking my pictures. Impulse chai shuru kar dete. Pulled outside, it's so cold.
Why are you telling? What are you doing?
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another episode of Travel with Sir, where you and I, we travel together. Finally, we are in the northeast of India and I can take you around northeast. ये भी मेरा पहली बार है actually कि मैं northeast पूरा explore करूँगी. पूरा नहीं, मतलब Seven Sisters में से we are going to cover 2. We are going to Meghalaya today for the first time ever. I am going to Meghalaya. So right now we are in Guwahati. We are taking a car and ये सारा जितना भी location के name वगैरह वो सब आपको रीति बताएंगे because he's the expert of northeast travel. And we are also going to be doing Arunachal Pradesh on this leg of the trip. So I am overall 15 days in Northeast. Reet is there, his friends are also there. So it's another boys trip जिसमें मैं कबाब में हड्डी हूँ. तो चलो चलते हैं. We've got pani.
We'll wash it in this.
We've got grapes.
No.
ऐसा थोड़े रास्ते पे.
We'll take this. We can put it back into this one. No, this is dirty. The polythene is dirty, so wash it out.
उधर wash करना बिदुन क्या? This is Guwahati city.
This is not actually the Guwahati city. It's sort of like Guwahati city and Meghalaya border.
अच्छा.
This is where all the exchanges happen.
Yeah, all these cars are asking Shillong.
Shillong and the other sides as well. Nagaon, Tezpur. So even when we come to Arunachal, we're gonna go through this route only.
Acha. Well, this car is what we've already rented.
This is the highway that sort of connects Upper Assam to Lower Assam.
Okay.
Or Guwahati.
Hot, like चटकेदार गर्मी है. चलो boys, जाऊया अपन. It's beautiful.
This is a small welcome to the Northeast.
So beautiful.
We'll take a ferry ride most probably during sunset. They'll take us throughout the whole lake and bring us back.
It's so beautiful, you guys. So beautiful. Like, my camera won't do justice to how pretty this place is.
See, it's glowing. The water.
Yeah, the water's glowing.
The best part are the hills over there.
But I need to speak my mind.
We have come to this Orchid Resort.
It's a very old school one of the best resorts near the Umiam area. We can even go down there. See, that's the lake. We can literally go down there.
This is giving so much Manali energy.
We'll sit here.
We'll sit there, na, towards the sun is strong. He needs a swimsuit. Sergi swimsuit bhul gaya.
I forgot. Listen, I was so excited about her coming. This is the first time in the
Meghalaya
history of any trip where I know that there's a possibility of me going under the water and I forgot my swimsuit.
तू बोल रहा है ये हजम नहीं हो रहा है.
Exactly.
Actually,
when
bro,
Reet said he forgot his swimsuit, I think you forgot his swimsuit.
I forgot my swimsuit, bro.
He was in such a hurry, man. Too much hurry.
I was in a hurry and I was so excited to meet this person after such a long time. And
Who's this person?
Who's this person? Direct बोल रहे हैं.
And she doesn't even believe me.
I can't forget his swimsuit. Your
I
swimsuit
forgot
is your...
I know.
It's like a part of his skin.
It's always in his backpack.
A few moments later.
It's so cold and I'm wearing a very short dress on my legs. स्वागत. टांगों पे ठंडी लग रही है. ऊपर से वार्म करके क्या करूँगी? This is what I packed for my cherry blossom photos because it's a cute white outfit. Look at these boys just having their meetup. Hi Alex, Sarah. So nice to meet you.
So nice to finally meet you.
Yes.
So, how is everything?
Going amazing.
All good? All good, bro. Okay, let's go. Very similar to how Switzerland is also.
Yeah?
Yeah, Switzerland, like that view literally like looks like I'm in Swiss, see? With the lamp and the bridge and oh, there's a Christmas tree also to top it off.
Signal to everyone that you should visit Northeast more often. I don't hype it for no reason. that tree is in full bloom.
Where?
That tree is in full bloom.
This one, in front?
Full bloom there, वो tree.
The trekking has begun. इसलिए मैंने और कोई जूते लाए नहीं हैं.
If you think this is trekking, then there's so much more to come.
We are gonna have some coffee or hot chocolate. So beautiful. Who needs to go to Japan? Meghalaya is really like untouched beauty. So underrated. Oh my god. Like I honestly never thought it would be this pretty. And just Shillong is this pretty. And Reeds though goes to some corners for exploring. Like tonight we have changed our itinerary because today he'll take us to some other corner of Meghalaya. So हम actually Courtyard by Marriott Shillong में रुकने वाले थे. I had to call them and delay our stay to tomorrow because Mr. over your last minute plan, he's like हम यहाँ जाते हैं. Like पहले बोलने नहीं हुआ था तुमको.
No, actually Sarah wanted to jump in the whole adventure part. I initially planned a very chill itinerary for her, but then my boys started planning something quite adventurous and Sarah started getting FOMO. So we decided ki last minute.
The thing is, I am adventurous, but my knee is bad. So I have been avoiding it actively. But you know, it's okay. You only live once. My knee, I will fix it once I go to Bombay. I don't know when I'll come to Meghalaya again. I also love that people over here dress so well. Like everybody's it's winter season, so everyone's dressed up in coats and shawls and sweaters, and I love it. Like आज तो हम ऐसा निकले, आज हम travel करे, literally मैं travel ही कर रही हूँ, तो हम ऐसे ही आ गए. मैं तो on the way change कर ली. Boys are just on the way वाला traveling, but otherwise everyone locally is so well dressed and so nicely coated up, and also very awkward that I'm filming. Look at both of these boys taking my pictures. Swagat to lady because there's cherry blossom over here. So both of them.
Look at Alex.
What are you doing?
That's just its top is covered.
There's this beautiful cafe over here, so we are going here for coffee or hot chocolate or something.
You're not having coffee.
Okay, hot chocolate. 3 chai, and this is chicken pakoda. Like pakoda chicken, I mean.
Same. It's the same everywhere.
What?
We had the same chicken pakoda in Manas as well. So chicken pakoda here is pakoda.
I'm coffee.
Minced with.
Who's one more coffee?
I am chai.
I am coffee. Who else is coffee?
Who else coffee?
I think ज़्यादा हो गया.
अच्छा एक ज़्यादा बोले it's okay. Drink ना बचा.
It's nice.
I'll drink coffee. It's fine. Why are you worried about food,
Chai is very good. Try the chai.
Yeah?
I'm not a chai person, but chai is very good.
You're in Northeast, you love the chai.
Oh yeah, I forgot. क्या
All the
बोलते
pakoras,
हैं?
even
Impulse chai शुरू कर देते.
Oh, vertical.
I can actually get you suppliers like directly from the garden.
हो गया. This is
There are
fun.
there are brands who sell chai from the garden at such expensive rates. Just claiming that it's chai from the garden.
This is the hotel that we'll come to stay in tomorrow. ये actually आज रात के लिए भी booked है, but today we've decided to go to Khudum. Khudum or Khadum? Khadum. Now we are going to Police Bazaar in Shillong because
Which is the major marketplace of
Shillong.
So all the thrift market, all the fashion, everything is there. It's the heart of Shillong, the most happening place in Shillong.
I think that's our courtyard is here.
Yeah. So this is where you get everything. Taxi, take it.
The weather is very pleasant over here. Khadum is like a 4-hour drive from Shillong, and udhar there's a Chimpe waterfall which we will go to tomorrow. So uske liye aaj we'll have to go to Khadum. पहले हमने सोचा था Shillong में रहेंगे इसलिए होटल बुक कर लिया था. But Reed said it's very very beautiful, so don't want to miss the beauty of Meghalaya. Definitely don't do cars over here. Do a driver and tourist permit वाली गाड़ियाँ. You can bring your own car from Bombay.
Yeah, आराम से. See all taxis are कैसा kind of. So this is like a जैसे मनाली का mall.
हाँ, मैं बोलने वाली मनाली के mall road जैसा ही है. We've entered a mall inside Shillong. Oh, there's Levi's and everything. Which brand you'll get swimming trunks? Adidas?
Adidas only, I think. Adidas.
This is a mall in Shillong. बाहर से कैसा लग रहा था ना, अंदर आके brands.
You reached there already.
Yeah, Reed is like मैं अपना काम कर लेता हूँ. But I'm not surprised that there are so many brands over here. People over here dress so well. I was just looking like I love observing people and how they dress. No, na? Adidas doesn't have swimwear.
They do actually,
So
but they
don't
don't have it here.
But why don't you take something like this also you can wear?
I don't want shorts as such.
What do you want then?
I want tights. So I asked them if they have tights. They don't.
Yeah,
have
but
tights.
in Adidas and all you'll get ऐसा only.
Go and check Puma.
ऐसे ही मिलेगा, इधर भी नहीं मिलेगा. You want black?
Yeah.
Hollister hoodie. हाँ, Hollister is what I lost last time when I came to Guwahati.
I think this one.
Black you want? हाँ, take it. She has a great collection of thrift jackets. Check this color, baby. Olive green. This is also nice.
Olive looks very military.
I like olive. I liked this color.
Why this is very bling? I don't like. Good. I think this is better.
But this is looking so premium. But then I don't like the buttons.
वही मैं झुमका टाइप.
Yeah, buttons. हाँ, this is nice. This is wreath. It's okay. This is good. It's got down feathers also. Yeah.
You're getting the proper Shillong experience. Shopping in Police Bazaar is an experience altogether.
Look here.
पहन लिया मैं हो गया ये.
That's it. You're wearing it.
Why not? पहन लिया मैं हो गया.
Yeah, why take a polythene? Guys, my fashion sense now is what you should be following. The cold, can you see धुआं आ रहा है मुंह में से. बहुत ठंड, like suddenly, okay, it just dipped, the climate dipped over here. And I'm wearing a hoodie, Reed's hoodie, अंदर dress है. Dress के नीचे I'm wearing my track pants and then sneakers. जो भी मिला ऊपर I'm just wearing that. अभी who cares? Petrol pump पे we took a stop to just refuel and now we are going to Khadum. It's a 2.5 hour drive and वहाँ पे highway की एक होटल में ही रहेंगे. And then I'll tell you everything once I reach there, okay? And I have some food in my system. Are we sitting? Did you all use the restroom?
I did.
So fast?
Yeah. This susu only, no?
Finally, it's 10 o'clock in the night. कितना लंबा journey था जान?
It is long, Baba. See, Meghalaya, the distances are not that big, but since the roads are very curvy, it takes time.
Yeah, 10 o'clock we've reached this guest house. Very nice it is. And there are 2 rooms.
So other is transferring banks.
Yeah, तो इतनी ठंडी है. मेरे घुटने.
You should be happy that I carried this.
I also carried. You didn't carry. I brought it with me.
Go.
From Mumbai.
Eskimo. When I was telling you that carry your thermos, no.
I've carried everything.
मैं ठंड में ही थी. मुझे
Listen, we were in Shillong. I could bear it. This Khadum place is. It's so cold outside. It's so cold. मेरा घुटना तो जाएगा रीत ये ट्रिप पे.
The next day.
Good morning. We are in Meghalaya, as you must have understood by now. और अभी मैं well rested हूँ, so I can tell you what our plan of action is. So in Meghalaya, we are not just doing Shillong, which is the main city. We are also doing like offbeat locations because Mr. Jakharia over here loves to go to places that normal humans cannot go. You all know Reed has a page called Roaming Chaksak, and he loves to explore offbeat locations in travel. Meghalaya is Reed's favorite place because it is literally next door to Assam. From his house, he like hops, skips, jumps and goes to these waterfalls so so often. Today for the first time he's taking me. We are going to Chimpe waterfalls, and you know I'm not much of a hiker, plus I have a bad knee, so God bless me, but I am going today with him. This was a very last minute plan because Reet had planned a chill itinerary for me, but the boys were going to do this and then मुझे FOMO हो रहा था. I was like नहीं मुझे भी जाना है, मुझे भी देखना है Reet जो videos बनाते हैं वो जगह पे मुझे भी जाना है. So I'm gonna gut up today. We are having our protein and let's do this. Let's see how much the adventure level is and then I'll tell you if it can be done by normal humans or no. Normal humans. Yeah, Reet doesn't come in normal humans category. Also, something that these hotels and everything that we are staying, this is a guest house, so I'll show you. You can literally see like small houses over here. It's literally in the middle of nowhere. There's a main road and it's out of nowhere, but these places of course हमको तो नहीं पता होती है. We have a guide with us. We have Alex. I'm gonna leave his detail in the description box. Whenever Reet comes to Meghalaya, he contacts him and he knows all these like amazing like places. This bed was so comfortable, the bathroom so clean, and it's a nice place to stay in the middle of nowhere. Just rupees 2,000 like for the whole stay, right? For the whole stay. For one person, for two people, like for this one room. I don't know आप कौन से season में आओगे तो क्या prices होगा, but just like affordable, offbeat and very unique itineraries. Even if you're like a family or somebody who wants to come, he can curate an itinerary. He's coordinated for our driver, he's coordinated for everything. So हम सिर्फ आ गए हैं and the guide does everything for you. So I'm going to leave Alex's details in the description box, which will make it very convenient when you're planning your Meghalaya trip. Definitely contact him. So he will like help you plan. If you're an adventure traveler, then he'll also help you with these offbeat locations and he'll come with you also, like he's coming with us today. Even if you don't have a hiking community, you can come with a guide and then he can hook you up with a group if you want to do that life. But yeah, it's pretty chill. I am here because the boys are here and I'm motivated because the boys are there. Otherwise you all know me now. I would have been in Marriott right now, like chilling by the poolside, which I will tonight after the waterfalls. I just hope it's like it'll be worth it for sure. I hope the hike is something I can do. Wish me luck. This is why I have come only with this pair of shoes. My New Balances are the most comfortable shoes I own, and this is the sneaker I'm wearing on this entire trip. अभी ठंडी इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है because धूप आ चुकी है. It's 6 in the morning. 6:30 हो रहा है?
It's almost 7 o'clock.
Yeah, almost 7 o'clock in the morning. And आज एक ही दिन में हम चिम्पे भी जा रहे हैं, फिर वापस हम शिलोंग जाएंगे. This is the outfit I'm wearing is my quad set because it's warm and it's not very warm because अभी इतनी ठंडी नहीं है. अंदर मैंने swimsuit पहना है कि in case I feel like swimming in the waterfall after the hike, I want to take a dip, so I can. If I don't, then it's fine. I also have an extra set of undergarments packed, so that way I'm fully set. I won't be like this much outfit is enough for me. अगर कान पे ठंडी लगी तो मैंने beanie भी pack किया. So yeah, I'm just wearing Impulse Coffee's roast coffee, not People Quad Set. I love this color also. The waterfall is this beautiful green, white landscape, so I think the quad set will look so beautiful. Because hiking करनी है, इसलिए मैं ऐसा dresses नहीं पहन रही हूँ. Being practical with my outfits and fashion over here. Reet has made protein smoothies for us. This is the mango steadfast and this is chocolate on whey protein. This is what I usually have. This is what Reet is having today. ये मैं घर से लेके आई थी and this is what Reet usually has, so I'm having it today. We are switching our proteins today. ये तो कल रात का Coca-Cola. I didn't show you all the hotel last night, so there are like this is the boys' room. They had 2 separate beds. You all slept well? Yeah. Okay. Are you all excited? Yeah. You all don't look.
Very much.
Why are you carrying Reet's bag?
I have packed all my stuff in it.
What?
Yeah. I stole it from him.
You know he doesn't give that back to anyone.
But me. Just me.
Now I'm doubting you.
Doubt him, not me. No, I'm
water in Meghalaya so blue?
Is because Meghalaya is very rich in limestone, and when limestones are in water, they release sulfur gas, and water, when it comes in contact with sulfur gas, it creates that blue color. So fascinatingly, it'll look all blue, but when you fill it in a bottle, it'll look
clear.
So what happens is, since the stones are releasing the sulfur gas from the interiors, it appears blue. The moment you take it out of that, it's all clear. And sulfur waters are very
actually I was wondering, you don't have a sea, right?
No, we don't. No.
So how are all these pools made only through waterfalls?
Yeah, because a lot of rainfall comes right here. a lot of rainfalls, a lot of caves are here in Meghalaya.
Yeah.
So even where we are going right now, the Chimpe Falls, the water comes from Krem Chimpe Cave, which is the 5th longest cave in the entire India. It's also the home to the biggest cave fish in the world. So it has a different ecosystem altogether, the cave. So the water continuously keeps coming from that. Even Lukha River, where not Lukha River, Labon, where we went, Labon is also a cave. So it's a limestone cave. So the water that comes out of it, although the water coming out, second day we went, no, the blue one that I sent you. That's Labon cave.
Oh, right.
So Labon is also very blue. Meghalaya is blessed with a lot of these natural wonders.
So
big time,
no?
big time, bro. Big time. And since there's a lot of rain that comes here, these waterfall formations are there.
Cherrapunji is Sohra.
Sohra.
And this is in Meghalaya only, no?
What? Sohra?
Yeah.
Yes. Sohra is in East Khasi Hills. Right now we are in East Jantia Hills. So there are 3 hill ranges. Jantia Hills, Khasi Hills and Garo Hills. Tell me this, the 2 major communities in Meghalaya, the two major tribes in Meghalaya.
Khasi to you know.
Arey, why you telling him?
He wants to get beat up.
Why you telling him?
One more.
Khasi to we know.
Wait. Alex has a question.
One more. Which one? Which is the 2 major tribes, like the major community? Khasi? Like Khasi and?
Garo.
And Garo.
Man, you... Why are you telling?
Genius shot answer questions.
I wanted to check if I know.
Arey, so I didn't ask you.
I was testing you all this while.
Come on, Bidun. He literally told us this yesterday.
I didn't ask you.
Khasi and Garo, he told us yesterday only.
I'm trouble with names, man.
Acha, okay, tell me.
Okay.
What's the capital of Meghalaya? Shillong. Okay.
No, Cherrapunji, man. What I say Shillong?
Yeah, actually, what?
That I knew.
No, that I know Shillong. You can't fool me now. You can't fool me. You can't fool me on this one, my Shillong.
Shillong has always been the capital.
Acha, wait. Vidun, okay. Vidun, okay.
That's Cherrapunji.
Tell me, why is Sohra famous? In other words, formerly known as Cherrapunji, why is Cherrapunji famous? Umberlane is here. I don't know.
What? Umberlane, the lake?
Umberlane is a waterfalls, which is here near.
They are not famous for waterfalls. It's for rain.
It's the wettest place on earth.
Wettest place on earth. ये geography textbook में था, please. ये तो मेरे को भी मालूम है. और मैं इतनी बुरी हुई है सब में. Bidun, horrible. I found somebody worse than.
Man, just excuse my GK, okay? Just excuse my GK. You don't have to have great GK to live.
Alright.
You can just live, okay?
Bidun has come from Muscat.
Pick the easy target.
Pick an easy target, bro.
Yeah, pick an easy target, no.
You painted a target on your back, bro. You asked me to charge on you. You literally invited me to charge on
but
you.
These are basics. You don't need to come
exactly.
to Meghalaya to know all this. I knew all this.
I came to Meghalaya to learn all this. No, precisely. This is a learning. This is not a test, guys. This is a lesson.
This is the song.
Okay, 1.5 hour का drive लेके we've got this parking spot. It's so beautiful. और यहाँ से jeep लेके जाती है वो trek के point पे. Of course, there's some trekking, but the jeep will take us to some point. It's so freaking beautiful. I can't. And धूप भी आ गई है. धूप आ गई है तो मस्त है. ठंडी भी नहीं लग रहा है. Why are you wearing so many layers?
I'll change it. I'll go directly in the water.
Oh, wait, this one only, no?
This I don't know which one.
Hey,
last time we took this one, and he only drove one.
This is our jeep.
We are going directly to the falls. No trekking.
Gypsy
Swagat directly to the falls. No trekking.
Yay! स्वागत है.
Yes कर. हाँ? नदी भी दिखेगा, सब दिखेगा. हाँ, उतरेंगे.
So this will take us everywhere?
Yeah, everywhere.
Solid. Yeah, I know, right? I never wanted to walk in the first place. Bidun must be crying. Where is Bidun?
Bidun, come here.
He doesn't know yet. ऐसा कैसे वो falls तक जाएगा if only trekking is allowed? Bidun, no trek, only car.
No trek at all. Directly to the falls.
He's so sad. उसको ट्रैक करना था.
No trekking, directly to the falls, to the mouth of the falls we're going.
Yeah. We are having breakfast here, guys. What is this life?
You see that hill? That's the second highest hill in Meghalaya.
What is the name?
I don't know the name. Alex knows the name.
Achha. Alex, what's the name of that hill?
Second highest hill.
What? What did he just say?
Lom Babo Bakong. Lom Babo Bakong.
Babu Bakong was the name.
Babu Bakong.
Babu Bakong. So we'll have to
Local.
maybe we have to get down at some point. Maybe the gypsy can go up to the point also. We don't know. We have to try.
Okay. Up to the point is a possibility. Bidun will be
As much as possible, we'll do like halfway.
Bidun wants me to walk. Dushman hai mera wo. We all had boiled eggs and now we're having puri bhaji. It's such a small place, but so cute and so beautiful. You eating this?
You have. I think this is the most wholesome food God has made.
Yeah, boiled egg is like heaven.
Best.
So filling and so good. The puri bhaji looks so good. This house looks fancy. See? Reet, तुम ऐसा घर क्यों नहीं बनाते मेरे लिए?
The view of the house, man. What
Exactly. Look, imagine their view every day. Oh my God. Just 3-4 दिन हुआ ये रास्ता बन के, वरना बारिश में पूरा I passed Spiti when I went to Jispa. I have not been to Spiti. I went on a bike trip.
It's like entire thing.
How is Jispa?
It's like entire
Jispa is beautiful. It's a small.
so cute. Oh my God.
The off-roading that is needed for this road, it's going uppar. Uppar.
In the air.
I just knew somebody would sing that and that would be you, Swagat.
How did you know?
I knew you would sing it, if not Reet. If not Reet, it's oh bro. This. Oh my God, look at that valley we are climbing.
We'll pick you up, no worries.
So here also there's a river only, Reet. Yeah, the road has just opened up 3 to 4 days back. So he's just managing to drive this season for the first time. It's a very bad off-roader, but crazy. Yeah, road ही नहीं है ये. Jungle है ये. Oh. Go. Let's go.
Vamos.
Arre mere vamos.
अगर ट्रैक कर रहे होता है
ये अगर चढ़ना हो जाता तो हो जाता स्वागत अपन दोनों का तो
अभी हम आसमान की ऊंचाई पे
ये तो क्या ब्यूटी है Oh I see it the lake It's so beautiful
Imagine this monsoon This is the like the junction of the water okay
So see there is the reason why this is a little murky because this water body is murky. That one which is coming, that one is clear. So that one will be much more clear. Now once we go there.
Which river? That Lukha river?
Lukha river is coming from here. This is a different river. You see in the middle? You see this dark green and then there is this murky water. They're combining together. It's like Sangam.
Bro, what is this? This is Lukha?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
This time it's not blue.
अरे उतरो ना
This is also river in monsoon?
This is entirely river This is the
Oh.
ये पूरा river
So this is all riverbed only. हम बुरा रास्ता मेरी तो गाड़ी में ही फट रही है तो चलते तो क्या हाल होता है Bidun wanted to walk this.
Walking is better. I still
Go.
second that.
Go, get out.
Alex, come on, Alex. ए भाई मैं भी हूँ भाई। आजा
आया क्या अलेक्जेंडर? आया?
नहीं आएगा तो कहाँ होगा?
चल क्या आएगा, उन लोगों को तो आदत है। ओहो
एकदम दरवाजा लॉक, सब लोग अंदर।
पकड़
मेरे को
पकड़। He's saying it's cold to go to the waterfall first. पहले cave? जीत गए. Let's do this.
Bro, why Texas?
Midhun, finally you got your trekking na. For the cave we have to trek.
Yeah, it's near only, very near.
कुछ तो मिला ना.
Flat foot पे चलो.
What is flat foot पे चलो?
See, देखो ऐसे. Do not put pressure on the heel. Just walk ऐसा.
Like this way.
This way.
This way. Yeah, just go like this way.
Don't leave me and go.
Come.
Hey, ये रहा. Hey, take it. Use this. Put your हाथ का weight on this and yeah.
Okay.
This will be much. Just put your weight once you're shifting the weight. Put all the weight on the stick.
But मैं सीढ़ियाँ नहीं चढ़ पाऊँगी रीत इसके साथ. Alex,
Come.
make me an elevator.
Make you an elevator. Wow.
You an elevator.
He's saying I'm an elevator to him.
Come on. You're doing great. Come on. Put all your weight on the stick. Can you hear the waterfall? So right now before going to the waterfall, we're going to the Kremchimpe cave. Chalo, Sarah.
If I did that, I can do anything in life.
Yes. Chalo, go now. What are you doing?
This is so beautiful. This is not even the full waterfall. This is going to be tricky.
Chalo, go. Come on. Grab hold of the roots. आराम से. Root छोड़ना मत. Do not leave the root. Do not let go of the root. Good. Sit down, Come on. You got this. Come on. Bas aa gaya. Bas. Come on. Don't let go of the root, okay? Don't let go. Great. Come on. Yeah.
Come now in the water.
I'll come. Just let me sit there.
This water is blue as day. Like blue. Like not the beach kind of blue. The other kind. Like turquoise.
No, don't go.
And it's cold.
अंदर जाने को बोल रहा है.
Cave में मत जा. Midhun is gone there. मुझे ठंडी लग रही है वरना मैं स्विमिंग कर लेती. It's cold. I'll come out. I'll freeze. This is such a breathtakingly beautiful, uncluttered, out of this world place, and yet few people visit here and you're still littering. I mean, you come with a backpack, right? Why do you need to throw things here and there? Like Midhun ka haath cut gaya because he saw a 7-Up can in the cave and he picked it up. Beer can it was. Show your finger. It got cut because he threw the metal towards us so that we could put it in our bag. And we've been cleaning, but how much, like, look everywhere. और भी कहीं मुझे दिखा था वो उधर पानी की bottles तो इधर ऐसे कचरे के जैसा पड़ी है. I mean, see, this is the thing, you know. It's so beautiful, but people need to respect it. Chalo, now we are trekking to the waterfall. Just a small walk away. Hands down the most beautiful thing you've seen. This is why Reed was so underwhelmed by Bali. Now I know why. After coming here, I can tell you why. This water is going towards the waterfalls down. So stunning. Oh, can't. I'm walking bare feet because the shoes are holding me back. Reet Vichara ne sab hold kar liya. It's not slippery, bacha. The jutas make you slippery, you know. It's not slippery. The rocks are very nice. Alex is such great help because I'm not a confident trekker. So he's been so nice to me. This is so beautiful. I can't be more beautiful than anything I've ever seen. Babu. Come. Steps. Swagat is there.
It's like in a vibe now. Woo!
Guys, video doesn't
exist. You were saying that you don't want to come here. Imagine.
You're a pagal if you don't want to come
I
here.
know.
You were not gonna bring me here.
Yeah, because
You
Baba,
come here, you're crazy.
Yeah, he
You're
do.
pagal. If you don't come, and you're crazy if you come. You want to come and crazy who comes.
Oh
And
my
like-
god, the videos will not do justice to what I'm seeing in front of my eyes, guys. White, milky falls in that blue water. Oh my god, this water is turquoise blue. It's not... nothing does justice. No video, no photo. I won't be able to ever tell people what I saw.
So it's a personal experience for you to keep. It's a personal affair between you and the place. How you reached here, how you saw the thing, how you spent your time, or what thoughts you had here. It's a very personal affair once you get here.
Okay, let's go. I want to go down.
Go. वहाँ से और अच्छा दिखेगा जहाँ पे स्वागत खड़ा है. You'll see the front face of the waterfall.
Now it's easy, like there are steps. Because white, bro, it's white, like it's milk.
There's so many colors here. There's green, there's yellow, there's white, there's blue here, there's blue sky there.
How was it?
It's crazy good. Beautiful. Absolutely marvelous.
Nice.
How long were we there? I think 2 hours.
More than that.
More than that, no? Yeah. Now 2 o'clock, हमने कुछ नहीं खाया है apart from that morning breakfast. But it was so worth it. Like, so beautiful.
Later.
This Lukha River is on the way to the Chimpe Falls. And what color is it if it's nice weather?
It's not about nice weather. Right now, the rainfall was probably less.
This year?
Yeah, so it's dried out. Last year in December, this whole stretch was filled with blue waters.
This was also filled?
Yeah. No, the wave was there, but this whole stretch was filled with blue waters.
It's so stunning, right? Just the nature is so beautiful. I mean, nobody made all this. It's there. Reet has gone so far. Now I'm tired and hungry. We have fruits, by the way. Look at me, like behind me, it looks like I'm in Hawaii or something. With the greenery and the blue, this. So pretty. We have fruits in this bag. So we were eating at the waterfall also. But we are responsible and we bought our bag back with us with all the kachra that we've made. Yeah, I think such places, because they are gate kept and so difficult to get to, it's mostly maintained. But the few people that visit also, kachra agar udhar fekoge to loses its beauty. I mean, as Indians, we need to be responsible travelers for sure. Like, not dirty. Like, these places are more stunning than any international location I've ever traveled to. So glad I came this time. Reet has been behind my life since months. Wanna eat something? Fruits?
Not now. We're almost about to reach. See, this is so lovely.
Lukha River is drinkable.
The one coming from your left?
Yeah, this is drinkable water. And then see, it merges over there. You can see with murky water. It's another river. Sambal ke swagat. Now next stop is directly Shillong.
2 hours later.
Alright you guys, we are finally in Shillong and checking into Courtyard by Marriott. It's been a long journey. मुझे इतनी ज़्यादा नींद आ रही है. The boys are already unboarding the gaadi.
Thank you.
Namaste.
Request for your last name, please.
Sarosh, S-A-R-O-S-H.
2 rooms with us.
Yeah. And guys, this is our room and they've done such a beautiful decoration over here that says welcome to Shillong. So pretty. And they've kept this. How sweet. How customized. This is so sweet. So thoughtful. Oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so tired and I'm so sleepy. Like I slept on the way also. I'm so tasty. I'm so hungry. I'm not eaten properly the entire day. खाना आया और भूखे भी आ गए. आ जाओ. तुम लोग नहाए भाई नहीं?
Always fresh.
अच्छा अच्छा. I thought I had a bath only. These people are dirty. I had a nice.
Oh my god.
All the makeup stuff.
Deconstructed.
There's a pudding as well if you all want, like a fresh fruit pudding.
We won. See, Queen of Hearts I have done.
So luck is more important.
See the sore loser.
Reese, what I tell you, luck is more important.
And my strategy, bro. When I saw your King of Hearts, I was like, put it there, finish it. I knew I had Queen.
Because you talk, put it there, put it there.
What other option? He had King of Hearts over here.
I put the card without you asking, right?
Yeah. And also it was gone here. So where else would he put on your head?
There's no the King of Hearts, bro. Where's the
King of Spades.
Played a different card.
He threw the card. He threw the card. He threw the card. I didn't tell him.
You don't have.
Okay, Reed.
He was so close. No, but I have to show this in the vlog. रीत was so close कि उसको ये एक कार्ड मिलता है, उसकी 2 सीक्वेंस एक शॉट में बनती है.
रीत क्या उसको भी दे दिखा, उस बेशरम को दे
उसका पहला गेम है.
This is where luck matters.
उसका पहला गेम है. रीत तुम तो एक्सपर्ट हो ना.
Reed, first game.
सिचुएशन दिखाया ना गेम.
Reed, first game. No skill.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah,
no
Reed,
skill, joke. Yeah,
That's a joke. I beat you, Reed.
Yeah, that's you.
Reed.
No skill joke.
Reed. How are you going to show your face to any other sequence board player again, man?
Sequence board player.
Reed, how are you going to go back to all your sequence friends and be like, I was out sequenced by a first time beginner, man? How are you going to say this?
But you know, everybody has beginners. Like when Reet and I played Splendor for the first time, Reet won.
I don't have beginners. I just have luck.
I love this attitude.
You remove.
Hey, Reed.
Why didn't you remove?
He lost another game.
Reed, you want to win? Hey, Reed, you want to win? Don't worry, I'll play with you.
Why did you remove?
What? I chose you.
Why did
I supported you when you won.
That's how you feel, Zara. It's all actually just I'm the good luck charm.
The next morning.
This morning view is everything. Shillong looks so beautiful from courtyard. We didn't realize last night because we were late पहुंचे थे. But you can also see some cherry blossoms over there. How pretty is that? It's like the perfect view to stay with in Shillong. It's got such a nice like hill appearance. All of that looks so beautiful. 10 o'clock and we're going for breakfast. 10:30 band ho jata hai. We're the last people hopefully. We've come down for breakfast at Marriott. I'm so excited. I love me a good Marriott breakfast. There's so many options. Good morning, boys. Hey, the omelette looks so good. I've called for a 4-cheese chili omelette. This is Bidun's first time trying Impulse. He's making an espresso. The cup is blocking my view, Bidun. I bought Vicharo vanilla on this trip.
Okay, let's see 1.5.
You've tried espresso, right? No, Swagat ko tumne espresso pilaya.
Swagat has tried espresso.
Yes.
So good, so good. Insanely good.
I'm making the Tide espresso.
What's a Tide espresso?
It's tight. That's all you gotta know. Okay, let's go.
Now the baby is looking at me.
Roll. The vanilla flavor, dude, it's like a different, it's not like a sweet fake vanilla. You feel that vanilla essence in India back.
We use organic flavors.
Yeah,
That's
you can. It's not that sweet fake vanilla.
Yeah.
It's not the artificial flavor.
And it's not just the aroma, it's the flavor as well. Like all our flavors are made like that.
One eternity later.
Fully dressed and I'm going to go meet the marketing manager at the poolside. Marriott was such a beautiful property. I want to stay here longer next time that I come because Shillong is so pretty. Mom wants to come next time for sure. Mummy was like, "Meko nahi leke jati hai," so next time we'll bring Mummy and come here and stay here. This is the beautiful poolside area. Hello. Hi. How are you? So good. Thank you so much for having me.
So how's everything?
So good. It's so beautiful. I want to get my parents here. It's so nice.
Okay. Anyways, so how's Shillong?
Ah,
Weather
so
and everything?
pretty. This weather's perfect, right? This is...
See, the thing is that about Shillong, no, we have 4 seasons in a day. It's
Ooh,
like it rains, it's cool, it's hot, everything is like
all at the same time.
in a day.
But my time in Meghalaya was too beautiful.
Achha,
So the...
I just wanted, because I haven't visited this Chimpe, okay?
Oh,
So
you
have to-
should. Luggage clearance.
Let's go.
We're late, we're very late, we're very late.
82 kilometers later.
You'll not die. There's a zip line from there to there. They've made a zip line and there's that is bungee jumping?
That's bungee jumping.
Crazy, huh? But this is a very good location. They should do all of this. So beautiful. Look at that valley. Like, okay, I'll go behind that tree to show you. This is the perfect weather to visit Shillong also. Like, I'm in shorts because it's so sunny and it's nice and breezy and pleasant. Look at that. It's so beautiful. We've stopped in the middle of nowhere and it's stunning. You're doing your carb loading before you...
No.
Give me one bite. I hate Swiss roll.
No comments on that.
It's so sweet. I had a nice and magic masala flavor.
So there's more there. This is very deep, this is very deep.
There's a chip packet inside.
Oh my god, there's a chips packet inside. Why? Oh.
Crazy, you can see it from here. People dirty.
It's so clear that you can see it. Somebody must have stood Yoroni and thrown. The swimmer is out now. Shoes out. Where can we sit? It's like a beach only.
Sit here,
It's so clear, the water. Look at the reflection. Insane.
This is 10 feet deep and you can see all the way to the bottom.
Yeah.
This is natural.
Very cold? Don't wanna go? Thoda sa chale jao.
Bro, we just sit in this one and just chill, man.
Yeah, it's very cold. My feet are numb.
That cold?
Yeah, my feet.
Very cold?
Gotta save Mother Nature, bro. Gotta get that beer can. You got it in your teeth. Let's go, let's
No,
go.
it's very cold.
They actually want to get the beer can from there because it's a mission to save nature. Oh ho, oh ho, oh ho, oh ho, oh ho. Yay, you did it, you did it, you did it. I'm so proud of you. Are. Okay, now that he's comfortable. Now that he's... Swagat is the photographer official and I'm the cinematographer. Oh, golden boys, Shannon, bright.
I will do the same, I just will take the cold.
Okay, I have also boned my legs. It's definitely, I thought told while looking at the pool only, I'm not swimming because it's very cold. Bidun, maybe you can clean that side also. There's some more water bottles there. Swagat is taking pictures. The direction Swagat gives of pictures is just like... Swagat, am I going to get any pictures? Woo! Can I walk too in the water? Okay, we are doing this. Oh, gets deeper. Ooh, okay, now I'm on this rock, so I'm good. Yay!
Thank you.
This is nice. This is so beautiful. Bidun, you're so close to this paper and all. Let's go to see the Solid Dhasu sunset in Meghalaya. Last in Meghalaya. Last sunset, Swagat! Why didn't you get your feet wet too?
I'm just feeling the energy of the place. Shingan energy.
What does that mean? How do I climb? Are there steps? Yeah, there are steps there. I love these natural steps that just form, right? So crazy. There's gonna be a fight here. Dog fight. They've been fighting for a while actually. We're all chasing Bidun and Swagat. Yeah. Bidun, you go. Slow and steady. Not to alert them. It's so freaking beautiful. It's the golden hour. The grass and all is like shining. Looks like you're in a movie. We've stopped here in the middle of nowhere because the sun is setting. The sky is changed so many colors over here.
I think we caught it like a good time.
Exactly. Solid Dhasu sunset miss nahi hua Reet.
उस साइड और अच्छा होता है actually, but yeah, this is also very nice.
Megha means rain, right?
No, Megha means clouds.
Right. Okay.
You should know.
That's why
Alaya means abode, home.
So home of the clouds. So freaking beautiful.
Reet Aglaya. Home of Reet. Aglaya.
Aglaya.
Meghalaya, no?
Ritalaya.
Aglaya.
Megha and Alaya.
I really need to meet the teacher who taught you Hindi.
I didn't learn Hindi, no? I'm self-taught.
Exactly.
I'm the teacher who taught me Hindi.
Now I understood why you're so terrible.
One hour later.
The momos are so good. This place is on the way to Shillong. We are going to enter Shillong now. It's called Woodstock Resort and it's so good. The food is like out of nowhere. We got good food and we've been so hungry because all we've eaten is breakfast since morning. I was getting acidity. I was so cold also. Suddenly like sun sets over here and the temperature just goes so cold. I also ordered hot chocolate which looks so delicious. Alright guys, we are exiting Meghalaya now and I'm gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. It was so beautiful. I definitely see myself coming back here. 2 days is not enough. There is so much to see in Meghalaya and it's definitely untouched beauty. Like the waters over here definitely have healing powers. Remember how I felt in Andaman, like very calm, Andaman is also similar, like it's untouched beauty, and I got like a similar experience in Meghalaya. So I'm so happy that I also came at the right time because it's such a nice weather. Now it's really cold. I can't even talk to you all a lot. जितने भी चीजें हम लोग घूमे हैं, जो भी देखा है, जितने भी contacts है, सारे description box में डाल दूंगी. So when you're visiting Meghalaya, you will have a good experience as well. Don't forget to follow Reet on Instagram because he gives you a lot of like northeast updates because he travels to the northeast very often and he is from here, so he has all the knowledge on where to go, like all the hidden places, offbeat places, everything. So yeah, you'll get a lot of insights from Roaming Trucksack on Instagram. On YouTube also, he has a YouTube channel too where he uploads shorts. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget a big thumbs up. Next we are off to Arunachal Pradesh and I'll see you from there. For Radio Sasko Shoutout goes to Senika. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video Sasko Shoutout, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also comment down below saying hashtag Sarah Squad and join us for my next video Sarah Squad Shoutout. I'll see you guys very soon. Another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.